All right, let's do these moves. We continue to watch energy. Crude is at 60 bucks. That's the highest level since mid-November. Stephanie Link bought Chevron last Friday, and she bought more today. Tell us more.
I want to have more commodity exposure, not less, that's for sure. And Chevron is the best of the best. And it's trading right now at 11 times EBITDA. And in the past year, it's only up 9%. And they have diversified assets. They've got very strong free cash flow. The CAGR on free cash flow is expected to grow something like 10% between now and 2030. And I don't know what is going to happen, Scott, with Venezuela, but they obviously are a player. And I think on the margin, they will see an uptick once we get through all of this. So to me, it's best in class. And oh, by the way, I really do like the M&A that they have been doing, too, which is very synergistic. So I wanted to have more exposure to energy. I still think it's under-owned. I was under-owned all last year. I didn't own one. So now I own SLB, which I bought back in November, and I've been adding to it, and now Chevron.
If you're under-owned, we're big buyers of Stephanie Link, okay? We're long L-I-N-K shares, okay?
Yes, thank you.
Just to be clear.
Okay.
Okay, so you said that Chevron, they're players in Venezuela. Josh, Exxon is not, okay? Darren Woods made that abundantly clear what he thought about the investing opportunity at the White House last week, to which the president took issue with, quite obviously. We already know that by now. Exxon hit a record high today, though, surpassing its prior high from October. How do you view this name right now?
Yeah, this is a sector-wide phenomenon, and I bought Exxon just as kind of an exemplar of the space. These stocks were completely left out of the bull market over the last couple of years, and with good reason, but things are changing. 85% of the XLE names are above their 50-day. 19% of these stocks are making 52-week highs right now. And guys, as Farmer Jim has pointed out, that's with crude oil in the 50s. Can you imagine if there's any sort of uptick whatsoever? Hartnett was talking about the energy stocks being the contrarian call of the year. He actually made a comment in December. Soon, every commodity chart will look just like gold. If oil looks 10% this year as good as gold looked over the last year, not one of these stocks, we are not bullish enough on any of these stocks. So I don't think Exxon will go up the most. I just think it's the safest. I'm bullish on a lot of names in this group: Halliburton, Schlumberger. We've talked about Baker Hughes a couple of times on best stocks in the market. I think you want to be in these stocks.